It's okay. That's Serge Atienza. I appear here tonight as not as a senator, not as a city councilor, but an executive assistant to our city mayor and a representative from our honorable Congressman Marvy Marino. No? My appointment as an executive assistant started last 2019 when I graduated from 9 years of serving as our city councilor or member of the Sangguniang Panlungsod. That is why when your attorney, Ate Eliza Cruz, councilor back then, assumed the position of vice mayor last 2022, I was still an executive assistant. So humingi na po ako sa kanya ng pasensya noon. Sabi ko sa kanya, honey, from pasensya ka na, kahit vice mayor ka na, from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., si mayor pa rin yung boss ko. Pero from 5 p.m., kasama yung mga bandang 10 p.m. hanggang 7 a.m., kalabitin mo ko, ikaw na yung boss ko sa oras na yun. So ngayon, well, may violation na ako sa kanya. So, I asked for a list of tonight's acknowledge po natin. So, please bear with me. So, but before that, pasalamatan muna po natin ang ating Panginoon at binigyan po niya tayo ng isang magandang panahon, magandang pagkakataon upang makarating sa bulwagang ito, makaharap natin ang isa't isa na tumutulong sa kaunlaran ng ating lungsod, may hatid tayo ng malusog, ligtas at masigla at magkasama-sama sa isang momentous activity na ito. So we would like to acknowledge our representatives from the DICT, headed by Regional Director Felix Sabanao Jr. and Dr. Maria Graciela Bucat, officers of Batangas City ICT Business Council, led by Vice President Attorney Michael Burigas, also an executive assistant. We also have the head of our PESO, or Public Employment Service Office, Mr. Noel Silang. Officers from our telco partners, Asian Vision, Converge ICT Solutions, our valued Chapens partners, Global Strategy Real Estate, along with their investors, led by Mr. Hirosama Suzuki. Key officers from Pontefino Estates, including our Vice President for Marketing, Ms. Chari Francisco, VP for Food and Beverage, Mr. David Chua, AVP for Finance, Mr. Danny Concepcion, Head of Property Management, Engineer Ryan Mamaril, and our Corporate Executive Chef, Sir George Bustamante, Mr. John Jonas Garcia, VP for Sales, and of course, allow me to acknowledge one of our greatest and generous patrons for the Voices of the Philippines, Batangas City, of SM Batangas City, Ma'am Mina Benaflor. Maraming salamat po sa palagi ng pagsuporta sa ating mga kabataan. So allow me to read the message of our Honorable City Mayor Beverly Rosa Baide Macuja and Congressman Marvy Marino. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests and friends from Pontefino Estates, the dynamic investors and stakeholders in the city of Batangas, it is with great pleasure to finally have the grand launch of the forum today, a cutting-edge IT economic zone located sa lungsod nating mahal. As we witness the unveiling of this remarkable endeavor, we are not only celebrating the launch of a technologically advanced hub, but also the promising future it holds for our community. The forum, developed by Pontefino Estates, stands as a testament to innovation, progress, and unwavering dedication to excellence. This initiative is a statement to the unwavering commitment of Pontefino Estates as a partner of the city government to drive economic development in our locality by creating opportunities for our local workforce, growth, investment, and collaboration. The establishment of the forum as a PEZA-registered IT economic zone is a testament to our collective vision for a thriving knowledge economy in Batangas City. Today, as we embark on this new chapter, let us embrace the potential of the forum to be a beacon of creativity, technological advancement, and economic prosperity. Let us harness the power of collaboration, innovation, and dedication to propel our city to new heights of success and prosperity. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to Pontefino Estates for their visionary leadership and for their investment in the future of Batangas City. Together, let us seize the opportunities that lie ahead, and together, let us build a brighter tomorrow for our beloved community. Congratulations on the grand launch of the forum, and may this venture be a shining example of what is possible when we come together in pursuit of greatness. Ika nga po din sa amin, magkatuwang tayo. Maraming salamat. And that is from our Honorable Mayor Daniel Roosevelt and of course, our Congressman Marty Marino. Good evening.
Thank you so much.